Hey my subbies, it's CC Galore here, and I'm going to show you how to do a quick weave bob with partial leave out. So stay tuned. So right here I'm using Mylk. This is a beauty supply store brand of hair, and it felt amazing. So I already molded down my hair and left some hair out on top. Now I'm just taking my glue, putting it on the track, and I'll show you how I do that throughout the video. You always want to leave bigger spaces in the back and smaller spacing on top when you put the tracks down. That'll just help you preserve how much hair you use, so you don't have to use so many bundles. I'm only using 2 packs of this Mylk premium hair. So now I'm just blow drying the hair, making sure the tracks are in place. Now I'm just cutting the hair with my scissors, and I did actually have a video of me razoring the hair as well with a razor comb, but that video was cut out, so right now you're just gonna see this part. So that was after I razored it, and I'm just showing you what it looks like in the back. If you want layers, definitely use a razor comb. Now I'm just using my wax, and this is gonna help straighten out the hair, make sure the hair is nice and flat. I'm just gonna put that on my natural hair. And you can get this wax stick at any beauty supply store. I've seen it many places. Next, I'm getting my flat iron, and I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron out my real hair so that it blends in with the quick weave. Now I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm getting those edges. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my flat iron again and bump the ends. And I pre-bumped the back a little bit, but I'll show you how I do that as well. Just gonna do the front first. Now this is how I bump the back, and I already had it pre-bumped off camera, but I wanted to show you guys how I do it as well on camera. Now I'm just taking some edge control. I'm gonna put that on my baby hairs. Well, these aren't really baby hairs, but putting it on my edges, smoothing that out. I'm sorry you guys, the camera cut off a little bit of my head on top. I wish I could have sped this video up a little bit more, but you get what I'm trying to do. I'm just gonna smooth that out. You can get this small little brush from the hair store as well. I was having a little issue with the side. I'm just gonna comb that out on top. Add a little bit more sleek edge. And a little bit more to that side, little flyaway hairs. And brush it out. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna give you a spin so you can see the back, how flowy the hair is, how natural it looks. So please subscribe, hit the like button, leave comments down below. I'll answer all your questions. And also follow me on Instagram. It's gonna be cc_galore. Thanks for watching.